Edo State Government under the leadership of Governor Monday Okpebholo has explained and given wider clarifications to the new anti-kidnapping laws in the state, with specifications that friend or family member of suspected kidnapper or any person suspected to have made an attempt to kidnap, discovering such friend or family member to have hidden or provide a temporary stay or shelter to the criminal suspect, with complete disregard to the level of innocency such a friend or family member may be found to be in connection with the crime. The new laws stipulate 14 years imprisonment with no option of fine for such shelter provider or providers. The Edo State Government published the clarification a day after the government demolished a house of an elder sister of suspected kidnap gang member along College Road at Aduwawa area in Benin City simply because the suspect was living in the house, according to the news reporters broadcasted by Okpella Television, with additional information that the elder sister of the suspect is not living in Nigeria. She has been in abroad where she has been working and providing financial support to her younger brother who got himself into the crime of kidnapping business for a reward of 350,000 nairas. The Edo State Government, while giving the clarification through the Office of the Press Secretary to the Governor in a news feature in which the Chief Press Secretary, Fred Ichua, titled, "A Step-by-Step Breakdown of New Kidnapping Prohibition Law in Edo State," said the new laws were with stringent principles to deter people from going into kidnapping and providing any form of aid to suspected kidnappers with a view to guarantee public safety and restore confidence in the law enforcement and judicial system in the state. In his words, the Governor Press Secretary said, "In Edo State, Governor Monday Okpebholo and members of the State House of Assembly are united in taking a firm stand against the escalating threat of kidnapping. The Edo State House of Assembly has passed the Kidnapping Prohibition Amendment Law 2025. This amended legislation marks a bold legislative milestone aimed at tightening the noose on kidnappers, their accomplices, and enablers. It reflects a sharpened resolve by the government to enhance public safety and restore confidence in law enforcement and judicial systems within the state. Under this amended law, the penalties for kidnapping have been significantly strengthened. In what is considered one of the most stringent anti-kidnapping frameworks in the country, the law prescribes the death penalty for anyone who is directly involved in the act of kidnapping where a life is lost. For cases where victims survive the ordeal, a convicted kidnapper now faces life imprisonment,